Salado. Santos. Hinarap na ni Vic Manuel. Kick out. Aryar. Open. Big shot!
Tabla na tayo ngayon.
Here as the crowd celebrate that shot, Coach. Hindi lang yung mga viewers dito sa loob ng ating Coliseum. I'm sure, pati na rin si Atrium. Tuwang-tuwa sila dito. Dikit na naman.
Nagsisigawan na rin yan sa labas.
Under a minute or under 2 minutes as Bulanadi. Substitution dito, nako. 1-24. 2-point lead for Valientes. Salado magtitimon against Cadiz. Salado. Aryar. Concepcion. 5 to shoot. Concepcion fires. Bang! 1 point lead for Alicia. Timeout remaining. Dalawa pa. Kontra sa isa. Tolomia. Floater. Rebound Aryar. Salado. Tatakbo. In transition. That's a foul on Denver Cadiz.
Ano daw gagawin na ito na? Tingnan natin.
Baseline inbound. Salado. 1 point lead for Relic. They go to Concepcion. Santos against Dimosis. Out of bounds.
Pero napansin kaya ng Alicia Welek na they only have 6 seconds to shoot. Yes, napansin niya yan ni Concepcion. Pero, umerbol. At na-last touch pa yun ni Ojula. So ngayon, eto na naman ng ating Zamboanga Valientes. May pag-asa sila to take the lead here.
Oo, yung dalawang coaches natin, oh, lumalapit. Ngayon, si Coach Torno dito, sabi niya, if Valientes takes the shot, timeout automatic. 30 seconds left. 1-on-1, tao-tao. Cadiz, drops it, Malik Yu. That's a foul on Emmanuel Ojula. Crucial free throws, pressure cooking. Malik Yu. First one is good, tie game. 86 all. Gabi yung mga cellphone ng mga vloggers natin dito. Oh. Nakataas na lahat. Paldo na naman.
Paldo na naman.
86 all, 25.1. Malik Yu. Miss. Gets his own miss.
Oh!
3-point play for Malik Yu.
Napaganda pa yun.
Wise decision for Malik Yu to miss that shot and get his own miss. Alam niya. Aizar, whole body, Sahi. Back to our ball game. Ito, bandar na. Santos. 1-on-1 against Dimosis. Double team. Ojula. That is a foul. That is a foul to give. So balik tayo sa oras dito. Yung shot clock natin magiging 14 ulit. Santos yung lalabas dito. Nakikipagpatintero. Salado to Santos. Shot clock at 10. Salado fires. Salado against a smaller defender. Santos. Shot clock at 5. Here comes the screen. Santos needs to fire. 4 seconds. Gives it to Aryar. Fades. Fires and scores! KD Aryar!
What a shot! Napakahirap ng tira niya ngayon. Coming from the mid-range master.
Saan sila pupunta? Tolomia fires. Too strong. And that's it. OT sa ating battle for third. Extended minutes po tayo dito sa Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay para sa ating celebration of silver anniversary ng araw ng Zamboanga Sibugay. Ganito kaganda ang ating mga bakbakan. Coach Kim Reyes alongside Ninyo Abanit po para sa ating action na ito. Maayong gabi inyong tanan ay kalimti ang panihapon. Oh! Denver Cadiz, nag-sorry ka ba? Putos na yun eh.
Nagulat lahat doon. And that was for the lead.
Nag-sorry pa
For
siya.
that matter, ha? Tingnan natin to.
2-point lead. Hinagis na lang ni Denver Cadiz doon eh, no? 2-18. Salado. RR fakes. Open for KD. Miss shot. Put back by
Oh.
Sherwin. Short pa rin.
Kanya
Third
pa rin
try.
yan.
Wala pa rin for Sherwin. $88-95. 1-50. Manuel. Behind the back pass. 3 seconds violation. That was a 3 seconds violation for Zamboanga Valientes. 1:44 sa ating oras. Santos denied right there. Pero ito, natanggap niya. Takbo si RR. Santos, Salado, open. Mintes, Ujula with a fake. Gets the 2-pointer. 95-90. Eton Di Coco, 1-on-1 against Ken Salado. Shot clock natin, pababa na sa 5. Malik Diouf, lets it fly. Too strong for Malik. Santos, stepping up his gas. In and out. Inside, Ojula.
Oh, what
Sorry,
a sorry
miss.
miss there. Dito kay Ojula, great find from Ken Salado sana yun.
And that's one is good for Malik Diouf. And a steal para sa Zamboanga Valientes, up by 7 points. Maybe this is safe to say for Zamboanga Valientes coach. Eton Di Coco. Malik Diouf. 99-90. Three-point shot for Wellick. But 29.3 seconds left. 6-point lead. Para sa Zamboanga Valientes, that's a foul on Santos. 2 shots. Two shots to for Bulanadi. Let's acknowledge the presence of Governor Dr. Ann K. Hofer right on our screen. And also El Presidente Ramon Fernandez at the venue. And Ma'am Carla Quintanar. Also, no, nag-usap tayo. When we played doon, no? Santos. Still not done here. That's a foul. And Zamboanga Valientes bench right now, coach, celebrating this lead of them.
Nagcha-chant na sila dun sa kanilang crowd sa bench. And of course, no, third place is still at third place, no? I mean, 300,000 pesos din yun.
Tumataginting.
Oo, and of course, the pride of still ending this tournament with a win. For that matter, di ba?
At the line, ito si Malik Diouf.
Bro, so okay pa rin tayo dun.
First one for Malik Diouf. 11.6 seconds. Ramdam na natin yung siksikan dito sa loob ng gym natin.
Oo
No?
nga.
Pinuksan ulit
Oo
yung
nga.
entrance. No more shot clock. Sherwin Concepcion. Miss shot. And I guess that's it for this battle for third. Zamboanga Valientes, coach, right after that extended minutes. 3 puntos lang yung binigay nila sa koponan ng Alicia Wellick. Coach Kim, for this battle for third, Zamboanga Valientes escapes with a 10-point win victory dito. And you know, your words right after this ball game, sabi nga natin kanina, ito lang yung battle for third. Na grabe yung competition na ating nakikita.
Imagine, nag-overtime pa ha. For third yun na game, pero nag-overtime pa sila doon. And of course, etong Zamboanga Valientes, nag-start yung atake nila yun. Galing dito lahat, halos lahat kay Vic Manuel nung first quarter pa lang na yun. Pero nung second quarter na, second half, I mean, doon na, nagkanya-kanya na ng ambag-ambag ang lahat ng players ng Zamboanga Valientes.
And ito nga, while waiting for our best player. Antay lang tayo dito, no? And ready na pala si Sarah Thirdsman.
And we're here with our best player of the game from Zamboanga Valientes, Denver Cadiz. Denver, congratulations! And nag-overtime pa kayo. Talagang sinungkit nyo talaga yung panalo ngayong gabi. Anong nararamdaman mo as the best player of the game tonight?
Siyempre, masaya no, as a homegrown players ng Zamboanga. Ang binigyan ng opportunity ni boss. Kaya, ano lang, parang tinitake lang talaga yung opportunity.